Hello everyone, I'm Mohit Jain and I welcome you all to the mock test session of Wipro series. 16 questions of cons which we need to solve this in 16 minutes. So what would be the drill in this real-time solution videos? I'll show you 16 questions. Timer would be on for 1 minute each, like timer would be on for each question for 1 minute. Try to read the question and solve that in the given time. After this 16 question, you will find the real time solution of all the question. But before that, try it out yourself. Don't pause the video. Let it be 1 minute for each question. You please try to solve in that particular time itself. These mock tests are designed so that we can prepare ourselves for the quantitative section, which we need to write in our Wipro recruitment test, Wipro National Level Talent Hunt, which is going to be there in January 2021. Number one. Number two, with each passing mock test, we will try to increase the difficulty level. So these are quite a easy lot on the easier side. Difficulty level would be like easy for these. So I'll recommend again, the drill is very simple. Don't pause the video this time. Timer is there, 1 minute for each question. Try to solve those questions in that particular minute, and then after your 16 minutes, 16 questions are done, go in for the solutions. So let's begin now. If 5 men take an hour to do a piece of work, 1 hour, that means one man will take 5 hours. Then how long should 12 men take to do the same piece of work? 12 men would take 5 into 60 minutes by 12 if we do. So it would be 25 minutes. Option C. A is equals to 14 by 15 and B is 34 by 70. Then which of the following is true regarding the relationship between A and B? As we can see, A is 14 by 15, that is like 100 minus 6.667, 93.33%. And 34 by 70 is just less than 50%. Just less than 50%. Obviously, A is greater than B. A is greater than B is in option B. In an annual Black Friday sale, there was a flat discount of 40% on all the items. Kunal bought a shirt for rupees 480. That means that should be the 60%. So 60% is equivalent to 480. What is the labeled price of the shirt? 100% is 480 by 6 into 10. That should be 800. So do we have 800? No. So label price would be like 799. Option B. A software engineer creates a game where 8-digit code made up of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 has to be decided on as an universal code. There is a condition that each number has to be used and no number can be repeated. It's an 8-digit code. So, what is the probability that the first 4 digits of the code are even numbers? For the probability, we know that we need two things. Total outcomes. Total outcomes would be like, since 8-digit code need to be framed out of these 8, total outcomes would be 8p8. That is factorial 8 ways we can have this 8-digit code. Now, we need favorable outcomes. First 4 digits are even numbers. How many even digits we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Means these 4 would be consumed on the first 4 places in 4p4 ways, that is factorial 4. And the rest would be consumed in the rest 4 places again in 4p4 ways, that is factorial 4. So required probability is favorable outcome divided by total outcomes. Let's solve this. So this will be 24 upon 8, 7, 6, 5, 8, 24, 3 and 2. So this would be 1 by 70. Option A. David divides 78 by half and then adds 11. So it would be 156 plus 11, that is 167. What number he gets at the end? 167. Option C. The sum of all 3-digit numbers which are formed by the digits 1, 2, 3 without repetition of digits. Okay, when it is like without repetition of digits and we need to find the sum of all the digits which we can form, we just use 2 small steps to solve this. First is how many digit number it is? It is a 3-digit number. So let's find factorial 3 minus 1, that is factorial 2, which is 2. Step 1. Step 2, sum of all digits. Sum of all digits is 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is 6. Step 3, multiply these two, that is 12. Now we have the answer. We will write 12 3 times because 12 is the total of each columns of this 3-digit numbers. And now we will add up. 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 2 plus 1 is 3 and 1. 1332 is the sum of all 3-digit numbers. 1332, option D. 12 years old Sami is 3 times as old as his brother Vinay. Okay, Sami is 12 years old, then Vinay would be 12 by 3, that is 4 years old. How old will Sami be when he is twice as old as Vinay? Okay, so maybe like after X years, this will happen. So 12 plus X is equals to twice of 4 plus X. 12 plus X is 8 plus 2X. So X is equals to 4. After 4 years, this will happen, and then Sami would be 12 plus 4, that is 16 years old, and then his brother would be 8 years old. So option B. A man climbing up a wall of 24-meter high. He climbed 16 meter in a day, but slipped back 3 meter 40 centimeter by the evening. How far had the man reached on that day? We just need to subtract. It is like 12 meter 60 centimeter. Yes, 12.6 meter, option B. How many odd numbered pages are there in a book of 1089 pages? That means we just need to find that how many odd numbers are there from 1 to 1089. That is 1, 3, 5, 7 until 1089. How many numbers are there in this particular AP series? And number of terms of an AP series is given by L minus A by D plus 1, where L is the last number, 1089, A is the first number, 1, D is the common difference, that is 2, and then plus 1. 1088 by 2 plus 1 will give 544 plus 1, that is 545. So there are 545 odd number pages in a book where page numbers are till 1089. Option B. A man had 17 cows. All but 9 died. It's a trick with the phrase, I guess. How many was he left with? All died, but 9 are alive. This is what this phrase means. All but 9 died. All died, but 9 are alive. How many was he left with? 9. Option B. A person is given 1 rupee for shooting at the target, and if he misses, then he has to give 1 rupee. If he gets 30 rupees for 100 chances, then how many chances did he miss? Suppose he missed m number of chances, for which he have to give minus 1 into m. This is the giveaway money. And then he hit 100 minus m chances, for which he will get 1 rupee each. So total money he receives is 30. So what we have? Minus m minus 2m equals minus 70. M is 70 by 2, that is 35. How many chances did he miss? 35 chances. Option C. There are a total of 10 bicycles and tricycles. Okay, so let it be A plus B is 10. If the total number of wheels are 24, so bicycle will have 2 wheels and tricycle will have 3 wheels. That is equals to 24. How many tricycles are there? We need to find the value of B. Let's multiply this by 2. It would be 2A plus 2B equals to 20. If I subtract these two, I'll get B equals to 4. So how many tricycles are there? There are 4 tricycles. Option D. Yes, we can use this with help of mixture alligation also. You may try out with that, no issues. Like if we have all 10 are bicycles, then we will have 20 wheels. All 10s are tricycles, then we will have 30 wheels, but we have 24 wheels. And this butterfly diagram will give us the ratio in which 10 need to be divided, so that number of bicycles would be 6. Yeah, 6 plus 4 is 10, and tricycles are 4. So with cross diagram, butterfly diagram, rule 6, jungle rule also, we can solve this. P is greater than Q by 60%. Q is 100, then P is 160. and greater than R by 30%. So if R is 100, P is 130. What is the ratio of Q by R? Can I say Q by R is like Q by P into P by R? Q by P is 100 by 160 and P by R is 130 by 100. So we have 13 by 16. Q is to R is 13 is to 16. Option C fits in. In a group of cows and hens, the number of legs are 14, more than twice the number of heads. Okay, so let there be X number of cows and C plus H. Let's take C and H. The number of heads are C plus H, and number of legs would be 4C plus 2H, because cow is four-legged animal and hen is two-legged. Now number of legs are 4C plus 2H are 14 more than twice, 2 into C plus H plus 14. So that is 2C plus 2H plus 14. 2H cancel out, 4C minus 2C is 2C is 14, C equals to 7. Find the number of cows. Number of cows are 7, option D. If it takes two workers working separately but at the same speed, 2 hours 40 minutes to complete a particular task, how long will it take one worker working at the same speed to complete the same task? So it will take 2 hours 40 minutes into 2, that is 4 hours 80 minutes. 80 minutes is 1 hour 20 minutes. So it would be 5 hours 20 minutes for one worker to complete the entire work. Option C. A car is 250 meters behind the bus. The car and the bus are moving at the speed of 60 kph and 35 kph respectively. In what time will the car be ahead of the bus by 250 meter? That means relatively car need to be covering 500 meter more than the bus. So 250 plus 250 is 500, and the relative speed of the car with respect to bus is 60 minus 35, that is 25 kilometer per hour. Since this is in meter, let me convert this into meter per second. 1 kph is 5 by 18 meter per second, so it would be 125 by 18 meter per second. So the car will take, this is the distance which is the car need to cover, the relative distance, and this is the relative speed. So what would be the relative time? Formula for time is distance by speed. So it would be 500 into 18 by 125. 18 into 4 is 72 seconds. Option B. Thank you everyone for participating. This was Mohit Jain from MJ's Maths and Stats. That's MJ Magic Studio to you. And believe me, with each passing mock test, we would be increasing the difficulty level. Here, few questions were actually easy, few were time consuming. We will try to come up with 1 notch higher, 2 notch higher difficulty level in our next mock test. So take this mock test in the way it's been like recorded for you. Go through the test in 16 minutes and then try to go in for the solution. We are also trying to record few mock tests for reasoning. I hope I would be producing it very soon and would be delivering. Till the time, stay well, do practice, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do that, please do that. Share, like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you soon. Thank you everyone.